Welcome back Sunbro. We hope you all in great health and great money. Before we start, please at least subscribe so we can have little money for food and paying bills. Alright, today we are going to talk about 12 common foods you didn't know could be toxic. Eating healthy and enjoying a variety of foods is crucial for a balanced diet. However, it's important to be aware that some common foods can be toxic if not handled or consumed properly. Let's explore some of these foods and how to safely include them in your diet. 1. Cherry pits. Cherry pits contain prussic acid or cyanide. Swallowing one whole is usually harmless, but avoid crushing them. 2. Apple seeds. Apple seeds also have cyanide. The protective coating usually prevents harm, but avoid eating them in large amounts. 3. Elderberries. Unripe elderberries, bark and leaves contain lectin and cyanide that can cause nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. Stick to ripe berries and supplements. 4. Nutmeg. In small amounts, nutmeg is safe. However, consuming more than 2 teaspoons can cause serious health issues like hallucinations and seizures. It contains myristicin, which is toxic. 5. Green potatoes. Potatoes become green when it is exposed to light, damaged, or ages. Green potatoes contain glycolkaloids, which can cause nausea, diarrhea, and even death. Avoid eating green or sprouted potatoes. 6. Raw kidney beans. Raw red kidney beans contain lectins that cause severe stomach issues like diarrhea and vomiting. Always boil kidney beans before eating. 7. Rhubarb leaves. Rhubarb stalks are safe, but the leaves contain oxalic acid, which can cause kidney stones, blood clotting problem, vomiting, diarrhea, and coma. Discard the leaves. 8. Bitter almonds. Bitter almonds have high levels of cyanide. Sweet almonds are safe, but untreated bitter almonds can cause cramps, nausea, and diarrhea. 9. Star fruit. People with kidney disease should avoid star fruit, as it can cause mental confusion, seizures, and even death as your damaged kidney can't filter it. 10. Mushrooms. Certain wild mushrooms, like the death cap Amanita phalloides and destroying angel Amanita verosa, are highly toxic. They can cause abdominal pain, diarrhea and vomiting, dehydration, intense thirst, liver failure, coma, and death. 11. Raw cashews. Raw cashews contain urushiol, the toxin found in poison ivy. They must be steamed to be safe. 12. Mangoes. Mango skin, bark, and leaves have urushiol. If you're allergic to poison ivy, avoid these parts of the mango to prevent severe reactions such as swelling, rash, and even problems breathing. By understanding the potential risks associated with these common foods, you can make informed choices and continue to enjoy a diverse and nutritious diet safely. Stay mindful, and savor your meals with confidence and peace of mind. Thanks for watching, Sunbro. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share if you find this helpful. Come again to our next meeting Sunbro.